Hi.
Hello.
Good morning, Roy.
Good morning, Towhead.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you? I'm also well. Where are you from?
I'm from Barishal. Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka.
Can you speaking English?
Yes, I can speaking English.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Ooh, good. Where are you going?
Now I'm going to market.
What's the time?
This time at 8 o'clock.
What class do you read in?
Now I'm read in class 10.
What do you do?
I only study.
What's your class roll number?
My class roll number is 2.
Ooh, good. I want to know about you and your family.
Why not? Of course.
How many members of your family?
Only 5 members in my family.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Rahim.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Taslima.
How many siblings do you have?
Only 2 siblings, 1 sister and me.
How old your sister?
Only 4 years old.
What class do your sister read in?
He doesn't study till now.
What's her favorite color?
Her favorite color is green.
What's her favorite food?
Her favorite food is pizza.
What's her goal?
Her goal is doctor.
What's your father's do?
My father's is teacher.
What's your mother's do?
My mother's is housewife.
What do you like, Towhead? I like gardening. What's your dream?
My dream is teaching.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is cricket.
What's your favorite cricket player?
My favorite cricket player is Saqib Al-Hasan.
What's your favorite cricket short?
My favorite cricket short is cover drive.
What's your favorite cricket stadium?
My favorite cricket stadium is Melbourne.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is dates.
Can you play cricket?
Yes, I can play cricket.
Can you cooking?
No, I'm doesn't cooking.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Have a good day.
Yes, have a good day.
I must go.
Where you go?
I must go to market.
Why?
I buy some vegetables.
Ooh, good.
Why do you eat vegetables?
I eating vegetables because it's very healthy food for our health. Vegetables have a lot of vitamin.
Ooh, very good.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, I should go to market now.
Okay, you go.
Yeah, bae. Hello.
Good morning.
Morning. I need to your help. Please you can help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I need a bag. Please give me one bag.
I have a bag, see it will.
That's it. It's enough for me. Thank you so much, dear. Towhead. Hello, Towhead. Can you bath?
Yes, I can bath.
Can you playing football?
Yes, I can playing football.
Do you know how much player in football team?
Yes, I know there are 11 players in football team.
Do you know how much player in cricket team?
Yes, I know there are 11 players in cricket team.
Never forget me.
Yes, I don't forget you.
Never forget to read the book.
I read the book every day.
Never forget to your parents.
Yes, I don't forget to my parents.
Never forget respect to your grandmother.
Yes, I don't forget respect to My grandmother.
Never forget eating rice.
Yes, I don't forget eating rice.
So far today, you can watch all kinds of videos to learn English here, so stay tuned by subscribing to the channel and liking and commenting. Thank you.